What's up everyone, it's Magic here, and today I'm unboxing my new wedding photography camera. So a new camera I'm adding to my kit this year for the upcoming weddings. For those of you who follow me along, you know I'm a Sony shooter. So the last 2 seasons, the cameras that I've been using for my weddings were primarily Sony A9IIIs. So I own 2 of these. I always shoot with dual cameras and I like having the same cameras. Prior to that, I've been using A7R5 kit, so dual A7R5, and before that, A7 IV, and before that, A7R III, and before that, Canon 5D Mark IV, and before that, Canon 5D Mark III, and before that, Fuji X Pro 2. I've used a lot of cameras, but today I'm gonna break the pattern, and I'm actually gonna add a new camera that is going to be a different camera from my main camera. So, without further ado, look up here. You can probably guess, yes, this is a Sony camera. And it's probably pretty obvious this is Sony A7V camera. The reason is very simple. I'm gonna unbox it and explain you why I'm adding this one to my kit and how I'm gonna shoot now. First of all, my beautiful Leatherman. When I used to be a Sony ambassador, they were giving a bunch of stuff like this, you know, like the Sony Alpha logo, and there's my initials even, so that's pretty cool. If you've seen my channel recently, you know I've been to Japan and I have just purchased Sony RX1RIII, and I'm intending to use this one at weddings as well. So this year I'm actually going for a full mix. I'm gonna use A9III. That's gonna be on my right side, my main camera. On my left side, on my money maker, I'm gonna use the brand new A7V. And here in the middle, I'm gonna have this tiny Sony RX1RIII, either with this flash or with this one that I haven't unboxed yet as well. That's for another video. But yeah, this is going to be my setup going forward. What is the, like, you can see I haven't opened it yet. It's completely sealed. What is the reason, you might ask, like Magic, like Sony A7V? This is clearly a downgrade from A9III, and you are correct. This is downgrade for, you know, A9III. The only thing that I'm getting more with this camera is more megapixels. I'm getting 33 megapixels instead of 24 megapixels. But the reason is actually very simple. I've been doing these YouTube videos for years now. It's my, 4th year of doing YouTube, and I love doing videos about Sony cameras. And Sony A7V, I believe it is go-to wedding camera now by Sony. And I simply want to have, I don't want to break the box, and I simply want to have full understanding of this camera, how it acts in different conditions, what are the advantages or disadvantages of this camera compared to A9III, and by shooting them alongside, I'm going to be able to actually have like a real opinion when someone asks me like, hey, which camera is the best one for weddings, or which one should I use for weddings? Come on, Sony box, what is it? This is it, got it. So yeah, if someone asks me about should I get A7V, what should I get for weddings, this is going to be very clear answer, because I'll be able to show examples. I'll be able to talk about bending in multiple situations. I'm going to be able to talk about dance floor stuff, shooting at night, all the stuff that I cannot do if I'm just testing this camera for review. I just need to shoot this as, you know, my main workhorse camera. So that's the reason. Here we have some paperwork. Let's see what else is here. I don't care about paperwork. I don't want to. I usually keep everything in the box intact because, you know, I have so many boxes now from all of these cameras. Let's crack open it. Let's go. Okay, so we have the paper wrapping, just like with all the newest Sony cameras, including the RX. If you haven't watched me buying RX in Japan for half price, make sure to watch that video. So there it is. We have the strap, which I'm not intending to use. We have the battery, which I'm intending to use. And what is interesting, we don't get a cable. We don't get a charger with this. And only A9IIIs get chargers, and A12s also get like dual charger, and then A7R5 also gets charger. A7V is still considered a basic camera, like the, I don't know how do they call it now, not basic, but you know, like the beginner entry level camera. So we have the same battery as always. Apparently the new processing unit on A7V handles working on battery much better, and you should be able to take way more photos on one battery. So that's one thing I'm gonna definitely try, because A9III eats a lot of battery. So A7V, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be less. It's a beauty. It feels really, really nice. You know, new camera day. Smells good. Yeah, the only downside for me of this camera is that it has SD slot, one SD, not dual CF Type A, because like I've been using only CF Type A memory cards recently, so I'm gonna need to find my SD cards for this camera. So this is it. Sony A7V. This is my setup. Look at this. Sony RX1RIII, Sony A7V, and Sony A9III. And for those of you who are wedding photographers, I actually highly recommend checking out my academy that I launched yesterday. So what is Academy? Think of it as a Patreon, but on steroids. So you get the courses, coaching, and community. This is a place where you're gonna find the library of all my courses, including the brand new foundation course that I launched called Book Awesome Weddings. It's included in the Academy. It's 4 hours of 20 to 30-minute lessons where I go through the framework how to attract your dream clients and how to build a brand that connects with couples before they even inquire. So couples don't ghost you. So couples want you to photograph their wedding, not just a photographer. They want you to photograph their wedding. That's the course Book Awesome Weddings included in the Academy. Also included in the Academy is all of my courses. So Magicadabra editing course, presets, Imagen AI profile, Flash for Wedding Photographers course, wedding breakdowns. So the entire library of all the courses I've ever done. On top of that, in the Academy, I'm going to be hosting monthly live sessions with all of you. The goal is very simple. I actually want you to implement the stuff from the courses. I actually want to hear your problems or struggles, and I want to make a change, make a difference. Just yesterday, I had a DM from one of my friends that he said like he's struggling booking weddings, and he showed me his Instagram page, and I immediately saw one massive issue. He just simply stopped posting the work that catches attention of the eyes of the people wanted to get married in Italy. Like up to one point, he was like creating all these beautiful epic photos, and then he just stopped. He changed something. And sometimes it's really hard to see something like that, you know, with your own eyes, with like when you're looking at your own work, but then having someone else, and in this case, me reviewing that and looking at this, and like it's so obvious to me. So this is the stuff I want to actually do during these live coaching sessions, and I'm going to be hosting them monthly in the Academy. Also, Academy is a place for support, questions, feedback. So I open a space for everyone to actually ask questions and ask for feedback. And since Academy is my flagship product, this week I'm launching it with like a special bonus that it will never come back. So all of this that I just mentioned, all of my courses, so that's worth $600 alone. Then all of these live sessions, coaching sessions, community where you can ask questions or connect with other photographers. All of this I'm launching at $199 per year. This is the price that you get as a founding member if you join before Monday, March 23rd. And on top of all of that, there's gonna be also one additional bonus for all of the founding members, which is weekly coaching sessions to kick off things with, with a bang. I want to accelerate your progress right away. So if you join as a founding member, you're not only getting a half price for the entire thing, but you're also getting right away coaching sessions. So me reviewing your stuff, asking what you're struggling with, and giving a strategy implementation ideas. Check the link in the description and expect more content from A7V because I have so many videos lined up with this camera.